Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a happy birthday to Elaine Bellamy. This is an Instagram collaboration hosted by Tinkerbell 1970. So much fun. So I'm starting off with Bases Loaded Lacquer Fake Fans. It's a beautiful scattered hollow and kind of a purpley silvery base, and it's unusual, and I like when makers come out with polishes that are different. So here we go with our second coat of Fake Fans. Love the hollow in this. It's just enough. Not too much, not too crazy. Oh, how pretty. So I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat real quick. I'm going to get it to dry down so that we can do this collaboration play. It was supposed to be purple cats or dogs. So here's my swatch photo of Fake Fans on its own. I'll be using TTYL 013 and 015, as well as Braves Diva Shutout. And I've got out this old squishy smushy stamper and a scraper card. I'm going to get these plastics off of these plates and clean them and get them ready to go. I'm going to clean it with some pure acetone. So I decided to go with cats. Actually, I'll be honest, I missed the dogs or cats, so I just went with cats. So, you know, but all is good. So this one is a really neat image because it's like half and half blocked solid and then half empty. And I really think that that's cute. Love the kitty cats. And then we're going to get this image of these two cute cats. Now I'm going to pull the hearts off of this one just because my nails aren't long enough to, you know, use them also. And they came up real easy. So we're going to slap that image on my middle nail. There it goes. Oh, got a little bit of a stickage problem, but what we're going to do is just kind of mush around and try to get it to lay right. Gonna get a piece of tape out here to help. There we go. And then this image I'm gonna shrink using that smushy stamper. I'm gonna pinch all four corners in together and roll over the image and then release, and it made the image smaller so it'll fit my nails. There are a lot of videos out there. Elaine did a really great video on shrinking and enlarging images. There we go. We got our kitty stamped. So I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and clean up as much as I can with the tape. And then we're going to break out our little cleanup brush. I'm sorry, I'm out of frame. Like I said, I am working on getting my stuff straight. So I'm going to top it with the smudge-free top coat so that I can kind of close it in without smearing anything. And then I'll be using this Posh top coat to cover everything up. I will have links hopefully down below for all of the Instagram participants if you would like to hop over on Instagram and check out all the other beautiful manis. There's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.